Every person in Nordell can and does make a difference. It's about more than making parts. It's about being involved and understanding the client's needs and expectations, working effectively to deliver real long-term value.
Nordell have taken end-to-end manufacturing to its fullest form. We have an ability to take a customer's concept and push that right the way through to a box-built finished product if they so wish, or any permutation of that. We can take a concept, a sketch, 3D data, a fully finished project and pick that up and run with it, and we can actively aid their development and delivery of that product at every step.
Nordell's a great place to work. That is something that is seen and felt within the walls of the business, and we have a real atmosphere where people genuinely care for each other and about the business, and I think that makes us a great partner for our customers.
The ERP system for Nordell is part of our foundations, and from those foundations we're able to build an continuously improving and more effective business to help support our clients.
All of our production planning is done through our ERP system, so we get a real-time view of where every job is in the system, when it will be complete, when it can move on to the next stage, and when it's ready for dispatch to the customer. Our ERP system gives Nordell a very competitive edge.
Real-time data capture and the skill sets that we have within Nordell offer a blended service that we believe offers an unrivaled opportunity for a client to get the very best from all of those services.
What our customers value most about working with Nordell is our flexibility, our adaptability and our human touch. So right from the start of our projects with them, we adapt to how they need us to be, and essentially we manage their project through and make it easy for them to do business with Nordell.
We have very collaborative and supportive culture where everyone takes pride in their work and genuinely wants to do their best. The team spirit here is very strong. We celebrate our wins together and we support each other through challenges, always aiming to improve.
The mission of the business means that our team understand what we're doing, where we're going, why we're doing it.